Hello and welcome to today's video. Today we are going to discuss about how to run Windows on a Mac OS using Parallels. Without any further delay, let's get start our video. However, a small request: if you are watching this video, kindly consider subscribe to our channel. Please like, share to our video so that it can reach to maximum people. So we will start with the installation procedure. So to install this, we have to go to the Parallels website. So just search Parallel Desktop in Google. Click open. You need to download the Parallels software for Macintosh. You can click on the free trial option there. We have the latest version Parallels 18. We'll get a free 14 days trial. If you want to purchase, you can check out the license options available. Click OK. So it's already downloaded, and now we need to start with the installation procedure. Click that and click open. Click accept. The different signatures are actually downloading. Have to wait for a couple of seconds. Now here we need to enter the Macbook password, and once password is inserted, you need to click OK. It's initializing the installation process. And the Parallel Desktop is starting. Now I have already installed the VM, and that's why it's basically starting by default. Once it is initialized, you need to also install the Parallel Toolbox. Parallel Toolbox, even though if it is pre-installed or even you are installing later on time, it will prompt just have a allow the installation procedure one more time. Click agree. And follow with the installation procedure. Now it will ask for the automatic activation of the Parallel Desktop application. Just proceed with the procedure which is shown in the window. Click next, and that's it. So we have the Parallels Toolbox is also installed already. So here is a window where you can see different dashboard of the parallels. It's kind of a toolbox where you can see what are the options available in the parallels, where if you are running multiple VMs. So here if you can see the first window, you can see where one VM is installed, and this is my Windows 11 ARM. It's already been installed there. There is security, the network settings, devices, everything which will be shown there. Here you need to activate your toolbox or your parallels there, and your account information, everything, and the license is already been getting activated. I mean 14 days you will get free. Later on you can purchase if you would like to. It's all up to personal preference. So here you can see my Windows 11 ARM tool VM is already been there. So here you can just try free for 14 days, click on that, and it will bring you to run the parallel desktop free trial. You can click on the continue free trial. It will bring you to the VM desktop. So it's getting loading. So here we simply reach to the Windows 11 desktop. Now the parallel tools inside your VM is also getting installed. It is preparing and updating your parallel tools inside your VM. That will also get installed automatically. You don't have to do much more. So it's need a restart. Right now I just click postpone. So here you can see I am running on a Windows 11 Pro, which is I am already been installed my VM. I have downloaded the image and installed my VM box inside. So this is a virtual box, you can see. We will right now do a simple restart, getting restart, and it get updating the parallel tools. It's a simple procedure and it will only take a few seconds to get the tools installed. Let's wait for that. I got rebooted and it's booting up. Now we got the desktop. So we are in the desktop right now in the VM, and you can just quickly open task manager. You can see about 10% of CPU and about 60% of memory is being utilized. So we given 4 GB of RAM and about 4 cores. So it's pretty much good in terms of performance. It's taking about 3.2 GHz of CPU speed. That's pretty much good in terms of, and you can see the MacBook drives are also already in Mac. You can see even the local drives and the Mac drives. Every data is also being accessible. It's pretty good in terms of accessing the data. So pretty good in terms of performance from my experience, and it's pretty nice. So we just quickly bring back to the Mac and let's see how our MacBook is. It's the MacBook M2 2022 version and running 8 GB of RAM. So from there it's running pretty good. It's pretty nice. Now just shut down our Mac and we will just quickly go to the settings option, how basically we configured earlier. So click on the parallel desktop icon in the and move to the parallels control center. So control center is the option where you need to do and allocate different resources in your parallel like any other VM. So you have an automatic option, so it will basically the best option. You can just select automatic. It will automatically allocate your resources. Like for me it's 4 CPU 4 GB RAM. It's almost a 50% of your current resources. I'm running an 8 GB 256 MacBook M2 2012 version. So let it be the CPU, the memory, the network, the sound, the other devices, it will automatically configure. So you don't really have to worry. It will optimize the resources whatever you need, or obviously you can do the manual configuration if you require. And this is the best part where you can select the entire disk capacity and it will already automatically configure, and you don't really have to worry about the TPM chip, and the TPM chip will also be already been configured. So it will automatically detect and do the configurations and the setting for you. I selected the configuration for games only, where the reason behind is it will take the best optimized settings for the VM. So here we can use the best way of using the parallel. Now I will also tell you as a prerequisites from where you can download if you are using an ARM based MacBook silicon chipset, where just how we can download the ARM based Windows. So just Google it, Windows 11 ARM, and get into the Windows Insider program and log in with your Microsoft account. I already had a Microsoft account, so click into it. So this is the ARM Insider preview program where you can select either a development channel or a beta channel. So I'm not going to use, or I am not use the development program, but instead I use the beta channel. Just select and confirm whatever you are feasible for that, and select confirm and download it. I already had that in my system already, so I have the BHDX already. So from there I actually installed the Windows 11 to the Parallels program. It's pretty simple and straightforward. Or even if you haven't have that particular option, even Parallels will give you an option to automatically detect and download the Windows 11 operating system there itself, and then download and configure. It's pretty simple and straightforward, so don't have to really worry about it. So control center is there. So we just finally running last way of how it perform from starting to end, the way of its booting and the performance. Let's just select parallel desktop and just boot the VM the last one time. Click on trial. You can see how fast it's getting boot. Here it is. Absolutely, my resolutions are not really pretty well set. Just go to the display settings and click and select the desired resolution. Oh, that's not going to work. I think I scaled it up to 200. That's the problem, I guess. Not so good. Select that. No, not really. Not. Oh. So let's see one more time. go down. We need to select the higher, not that one. So alright, just shut down the VM. All good. It's everything finished. Alright, thank you for your time.